Today, a new batch of circuit board raw materials has arrived in our factory. Let me show you all how we process it. Our company, focusing on radios for 30 years, for the manufacture and sale of radios, we are professionals. The control of quality, we are serious. Every part of our radio uses the best components, high-quality speakers, highly sensitive antennas, etc. The radio that was finally manufactured, it can produce a clear and loud sound, strong signal capture capability. All the customers who have placed orders with us are very satisfied. Our company has all kinds of radios. It can be exported to any country around the world. If there is a need for a radio, please contact us. Our products are sure to satisfy you.